Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. And I am in another woodsy area today, looking at all this beautiful plush greenery here. This greenery is Allium ursinum, or wild garlic, and it's plentiful this time of year. Spring has just sprung and it's everywhere. This is a beginning forager's plant because it is so easy to identify. You can't make any mistakes. The thing is it's a singular spear type leaf, and as you can see, it's got a little maroon, a little reddish in there in the stem. One of the key identifying features is also rubbing it together and smelling it. The nose test here, because it has a wonderful garlic smell. Now, just like its domesticated version in our grocery stores, this garlic also is super medicinal. It is antibacterial. It deals with things like arthritis, blood pressure, heart disease, cholesterol type stuff like that. Please Google it. Yeah, I'm sure it's got a bunch more uses. Definitely great in the kitchen with cooking, as far as making pestos and garlic butters and put it in soups and salads. It has a delicious, robust taste, and as you can see, it's everywhere. I can find a patch of this everywhere. It likes cool places, and I am down here by the river, and it's everywhere. As you can see, look at that patch way over there. Beautiful, beautiful. So I encourage you to come out this spring and harvest some of this wild garlic for whatever ails you. If you don't do it for a culinary sense, do it for the medicinal purposes of it. And like I said, it is so easy to identify. Look at that. Super easy. And its smell gives it away. One thing about harvesting this that I'm just going to say, and I'll end this, is when you harvest it, you want to pick it almost individually, or one at a time, however you want to, construe that, because it grows alongside some toxic plants, and maybe the Lord of Ladies and a couple other plants that seem to mix up pretty well in this thing. And so the best way to harvest it is to do it individually by itself, so you can make sure that you have this plant and this plant alone, because the others are not only toxic but even poisonous. But this thing right now, you can't mistake it. Get out in your local woods somewhere, find you a cool place, and I guarantee you, in this leaf litter, you're gonna find a bunch of wild garlic, and enough that you can store some, preserve some, cook some, and then some. Until next time, happy foraging. Goodbye.